Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Hostinger, which is an incredible website hosting platform that you can use to host a variety of different websites, as well as another number of functions. I'm also going to give you a fantastic link you can go to get a massive discount today, so make sure you hang around for that. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping over to the Hostinger website, as always, link down below in the description so you can go and check this out afterwards. If you've been building websites, things like WordPress, etc., then you'll probably know that you need to host it onto another platform using something like Hostinger. And this can be a bit of a tricky thing if you are not technical at all like myself. In order to find the right host that's going to give you all the things that you need at the cost that you want. And there's some other benefits to having a good quality host as well, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. So everything you need to create a website. Currently, there's over 1.2 million websites using Hostinger, so you obviously understand that it's a pretty solid platform. In terms of satisfaction, you can see across on Trustpilot, it's got a score of 4.5, which is pretty high. Google 4.8, and then across the board. So all in one web hosting, the best web hosting plan for you to start. Unmetered traffic, up to 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, and free weekly backups. And you can see it's been optimized for WordPress. WordPress is a fantastic place. You can go and build websites for very little money, if not free, if you want to create blogs and things. Once you start adding applications, obviously it's going to gain some costs, but it's an amazing place to go. And initially, you can get web hosting for $2.99 a month. There's also probably going to be a free trial. And then after that, it goes up to $6.99. The servicing includes a number of different things like free SSL, free migration. So if you already have a website that's hosted on something else like Bluehost, then you can get it migrated across for absolutely free by Hostinger. And it's extremely effortless and easy to do that. Everything is supported through the platform. You can see that it includes a Lightspeed WordPress module, which makes it extremely fast and much faster than other hosting platforms. And the benefit of this, guys, you probably realize that in today's day and age, because of mobile phones and convenience and stuff, everyone's extremely impatient. And if your website takes literally a split second longer to load than another one, then it's going to maybe lose you some potential customers. So you need to have a website that's absolutely lightning fast, because people will not hang around and wait for your website to be loading up. And this is something that's amazing for Hostinger. Also includes e-commerce optimization. Obviously that's key if you're running various e-commerce stores and you want to avoid the expensive fees on Shopify, etc., and run a WordPress e-commerce website. And it's simple enough to install, just takes one click over on WordPress. In terms of client feedback, you can see that people absolutely love using this hosting service, and you can click on browse more case studies if you want to learn more. The speed I've just talked about, why that's important, and complexity. Like, as I've mentioned, guys, if you, like me, are a non-technical person, then some of this stuff can be a bit worrying or a bit unnerving to get involved in. And because everything is very simplified on hosting it makes managing your website and understanding the different processes super easy. As you can see, it's specialized in working with WordPress websites, which makes your WordPress website work extremely well, fast and stable. And also, guys, there's a tech team here to help you 24/7, 365 days a year. That is essential. If you've got a website that is required to be up and running 24 hours a day and perhaps goes down, that could potentially cost you thousands of dollars. If you're in an e-commerce brand or something like that, you need something that's going to be reliable. And if there's ever any errors, you need someone who's going to be able to fix that for you as fast as possible. And obviously free migration, which we've already talked about. And coming down below, you can see there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you go down through the link in the description, you're also going to get a bit of a discount as well as that 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure you go through that link if you want to learn more about Hostinger. Down below, guys, we can see there's various other things that they also can include, things like email hosting, a domain name, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and it's cool to have all of these things in one place. As I've been getting into digital business over the last few years, I now have tons of payments coming out from different places. I don't even know what half of those payments are, and I'm probably not even using them anymore, and it can be quite frustrating. Having them all squeezed into one convenient payment is significantly less stressful and easier to manage. So not only do they do WordPress hosting, but they can also do hosting for agencies, cloud hosting, web hosting, etc. They've also got various other things like VPS hosting, and you can use the email workspace or Google Workspace email with up to 30 gigabytes of storage and Titan email hosting. They also do domains, domain checkers, which allows you to find the perfect domain for your particular website. It also includes Whois Lookup, and domain transfer. All very straightforward, guys. If you're already hosting with someone else, don't worry, it's very easy to transfer across. Hostinger makes it extremely easy to do. So in summary, guys, Hostinger is an amazing website where you can come to get fantastic high-speed hosting for your WordPress website. It's suitable for people with things like blogs, it's suitable for people who are running e-commerce brands, and as well as that, if you're running agencies, etc., you can also run it through here. It's very affordable. If you go through the link down below in the description and get yourself a 30-day money-back guarantee, as well as hosting, you can easily migrate in other websites, migrate domains. You can do lots of other things and keep it all under one roof. So if you're looking for an all-in-one WordPress hosting platform, then look no further than Hostinger. If you enjoyed today's video on Hostinger, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about all of these fantastic digital products at amazing prices with our special discount codes, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See you soon with another video. Bye-bye.